2 police officers and 5 others have been killed following a fatal car crash in the northeast of England. In the early hours of this morning, a vehicle heading the wrong way down a major road near Middlesbrough hit a marked police car, killing all 7 occupants of the 2 vehicles.
The aftermath of a violent crash in Cleveland, just outside Middlesbrough in the northeast of England. Police said a Volkswagen Passat travelling the wrong way down the A66 collided with a marked police vehicle at 3:39 a.m. this morning. All 7 occupants of the vehicles were pronounced dead at the scene, including 2 serving Cleveland police officers in the marked vehicle. They have been named as PC Matthew Blades and PC Tom Clough.
This is an incredibly sad day for Cleveland. The loss has been felt across our communities, by our police family and by our partner agencies. These were brave officers, protecting our communities and serving our residents who didn't return home to their families at the end of their shift.
Chief Constable Fuller said the 5 deceased occupants of the Volkswagen Passat have been formally identified and their families informed, but urged people not to speculate on the cause of the accident. UK Prime Minister Andy Burnham echoed that advice, saying he was devastated by the news, adding, "My thoughts are with the families and loved ones of everyone involved, and with everyone at the Cleveland Police." The investigation into the incident has been referred to the Independent Office for Police Conduct, which is the standard approach when a death occurs following police contact. Fergal Gallagher, RTE News.